Hi guys, welcome to my SS's mathematics series from zero to guru. Today I'm going to explain how you can perform basic operation of number base using division. Although division is not the scope of WAEC and other examination body, but I think it is good for you to understand it. So if you want to divide two numbers on number base, you can do it in two ways. The first method is by long division method and the second method is through conversion. So I'm going to use the two methods for you, then you can decide which one is clearer to you. So for example, if I have simplify 1001 base 2 divided by 11 base 2. So the first method, which is by long division method, so is you use your long division method whereby you put your dividends here and you put your divisor here. Then you take it one by one. So don't forget how you use it. If you take it one by one, how many one you are going to see in one? So you know one in one is what? It's nothing but 1 in one is 0, which is impossible. Okay, what of 1 in 1 0? So you know 1 in base 2 is even 3. 3 in 2, that is not possible. So but 1 in 1 0 0, I think it will give you what? That will give you 1. You understand now? So how do we know that? You know your 1 0 0 is like 4 in base 2. So this is 3. 3 in 4 is 1. So if you multiply it like this, then you are going to have what? So 1, that will give you 1. Okay, then you are going to subtract. Don't forget we are working in base 2. If you borrow 1 here, this will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this one remains what? So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you copy the next number, which is 1. Then you say 1 in 1, that is 1. 1 times 1, that's 1. So if you subtract, you are going to have 0. So therefore, you can conclude adequately that 1001 base 2 divided by 11 base 2 is equal to 11 base 2. So this is how you can solve this using long division method, by long division method. So the second method, which is by conversion method, is not difficult as well. So what you have to do is to convert the two numbers. So you have to convert the two numbers to base 10. Then immediately after converting them to base 10, then you do your division. Then you now convert back to base 2. So we have 1001 base 2 divided by 1 base 2. Don't forget what I said, you convert this to base 10, you convert this to base 10, then after that you divide. So once you now have your result in base 10, you now convert back to base 2. Okay, let us do that. 1001 base 2 in base 10. Don't forget you mark it like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, and you take it one by one. You have 1 times 2 raised by 3. You don't need to take these two guys because they are 0. Then we have 1 times 2 raised by 0. Don't forget I told you, because it will waste your time. But if you are doing theory, it is advisable you include them. So then it will give you 8 plus what? Plus 1. And 8 plus 1 is 9, because 2 raised by 0 is what? Is 1. Okay, for the second one, so you have 1 base 2. So you also mark it again, you take it one by one, that will give you 1 times 2 raised by 1. Sorry. So 1 times 2 raised to power 1, then plus 1 times 2 raised by 0. That will give you 2 plus 1. You know 2 raised by 0 is 1, which is 3. So then you will see that this number here has graduated to 9 divided by 3 in base 10. And 9 divided by 3 is 3 in base 10. If you can now convert this number back to base 2, 3 in base 2, then I'm going to have something of this nature. 2 in 3, 1 remainder 1. 2 in 1, 0 remainder 1. If you write it backwardly, you have 1 base 2. If you check it, you will see that it is the same thing as what we obtain here. So I know for sure you can use, I assume you can use the two methods now. If you understand it very well, please I advise you to go back to your past question and some related question. Also, don't forget to click on subscribe button and invite your friends to do so too. Thank you. So far so good, so memorable.